Hi friends, happy to meet you again. Yesterday I got the opportunity to meet some PharmD freshers. They shared some thoughts with me that you know the future of PharmD. What do they think about that in India and the salaries that they would be getting, their opportunities in the pharmaceutical industry, in the healthcare industry in India. Now almost everyone was filled with some or other negatives before even starting the game. We have failed in our minds, and as Sachin Tendulkar says, you need to first win the match in the mind and then on the ground. No, two, three things. First things first, please understand that if you keep your eyes on the scorecards, you will never be able to win the match, number one. So please focus on the ball and plan to hit sixes and fours, and prepare yourselves with your skills and knowledge on how to add value to the healthcare system, and that's going to bring you money, right? Number one. Number two, if money is going to give all happiness in the world, how many of them who are driving the BMW, the Benz, how many of them having a seashore bungalow, and how many of them who are having crores are happy? No. Please understand that PharmD is a new course in India which was started in 2008, and it took 60 years in the US to get the PharmDs accepted. I'm not saying that would take that much time in India, nevertheless, but we need to add value to the healthcare system without worrying about what money I will get after 6 years or 7 years. Now my focus should all be into what knowledge I should acquire, what are the skills I should acquire, and we need to understand as an individual. If I have to develop my language, I need to develop my language. I need to be multifaceted in my approach. I need to be multifaceted. So all those things are needed. So please don't start and lose the game in the mind before you get on to the playground. Okay, this is my request to all the PharmD freshers. Please understand there are many opportunities which are available, which will be created, and being a part of the first 20 batches of a new course, we need to lay a platform, or we need to create a path for those who are coming behind us. And certainly there are opportunities in R&D, in F&D, as clinical pharmacists, in clinical trials and other things. Now recently when I made some mock interviews of the 6th-year PharmDs, they were not even ready with some basic 75 questions of the clinical trials and regarding the economics, pharmacodynamics, pharmacokinetics, and the various parts of pharmacovigilance and clinical trial agencies. So please prepare for all those things rather than wasting your time in fear and worries. Now fear and worries, please understand, when you drive a bike with fear that you might meet with an accident, certainly you will meet with an accident, because you are going to pull that energy into you that you are going to meet an accident. So please have that positiveness. We have joined here, and we certainly have a wonderful future, and we need to create the future for us. So this is for today, and thank you.